Today, we have a trouble with our provision crane. The problem is no hoist up and no boom out. Now, let us check what happened since they carried out the rusting and repainting. At eto na nga, nagbabasa na naman tayo ng ating kapalaran kung tayo ba ay yayaman. So, this is the diagram of our provision crane. Ang provision crane, eto nga pala ang siyang nagbubuhat ng mga pagkain namin na isusupply para sa barko. Now, we will start the circuit tracing. We will focus first on the first problem. No hoisting up, but hoisting down is present. Now, we will check the circuit for the limit switch high. We will measure these lines if we can get a 220 volts supply. This is the wire number 4 for the limit switch contactor. And this is the wire number 29 on the overcurrent relay. Now let us check.
Wala. Kamo, pitik mga 2 seconds lang na din.
Try, pitik daw mga 2 seconds. Up.
Ayun.
Next step is we will measure the wire after the limit switch. If we can still measure a voltage ranging 220 volts.
Mga 2 seconds din. Up.
2 seconds, try. Up. Roger.
Up kamo. Up. 2 seconds. Putol yung linya.
Now, let us proceed to the second problem. No boom out.
Ngayon, dito tayo sa... Kasi wala ding ano to eh. Wala ding in. Out pala. Papitik kay Brian, out. Out.
Right.
Kamo, out.
Try pa, pitik daw nung out. 2 seconds.
Out.
Out, try, out.
Okay.
Roger, walang response.
So yung out, walang response. Tamo, pagsabayin yung bypass, saka out.
Try, pagsabayin mo daw yung bypass at saka out.
Ayan, energize yung bypass. Pero walang out. Ulit, tamo.
Ulit daw, try, ulit.
Bypass. Sige, pagkipindot lang ng bypass lang.
Pito daw ng bypass lang.
Okay. Ngayon, dahil itong bypass may kuryente yan papunta dyan. Ngayon, testingin natin yung kasi may dumaan dyan. Papunta tayo sa 34. 34 na FE. So, ito yung FE. Hanapin natin yung 34. Ito yung 34. Ayan. 34 ng FE. 34. Ayan. Padiin yung bypass, tapos papindot yung out.
Try, padiin daw ng bypass tapos papindot ng out. Padiin daw ng bypass tapos papindot ng out.
Sabay.
Roger, sabay.
Baba. 34 to 32. Kaya sige, pagpindot ulit. Sabay.
Pakapindot daw ulit, bright, sabay. Yun ulit.
Roger.
Roger.
Sabay na yan. Okay. So ngayon, pindot ulit.
Ulit, sir.
So, bypass, tapos out.
Pakapindot ulit ng bypass at saka out.
Okay, mayroong kuryente. So, ibig sabihin, okay na muna. So, ibig sabihin nun, ito talaga yung problema. Limit switch high. Itong limit switch high kasi, pag i-testing na natin yung 36 ng LH, ayan, LH. Tapos testing natin yung 36 ito, ayan, ito yung 36. Yung 36 na yan, ng LH. Tapos, pupunta tayo sa 32 ulit. Ayan. O, sige. Bypass, tapos DL 2 seconds. Out.
Try, tapos pangatiin na ulit mga 2 seconds bypass at saka out.
Ayan, hanggang nangyayari. So, it means, ito yung sira. Huli na yung sira. Malakas sa raming oy, sila nagpagana ng crane, kita mo. O, ayan o, bangat na o. Huwag mong ipitik-pitik, diretso mo. Sige, diretso angat, sige.